Hey everybody, my name is Gummy Jim. Welcome back to Shadow Fight Stick War. That's the name of it. This has been a really fun game so far. I used this character recently. Hold on, actually, let me go back and see why my settings are so messed up. There's no sound, that's why. Okay. Alright, there we go. No, I don't want to buy that one. Okay, so I just recently used this character Zamasu that I'm using here. I used them to beat one of these Saiyan God characters online on Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. There's a video of it up on the channel. And I just wanted to show how much harder it actually is in this stick fighting game than it is in actual, like, Dragon Ball Z proprietary fighting. Check this out. Okay, I'm going to try really, really hard right now. Ah. Come on, bring it. Oh, so far so good. I might be able to get him. You never know. I might actually get him. Oh my gosh. Ow, ow, not like that though. Oh yeah, you wanna charge up on me? Come on. Bring it. Why did I try to charge there? Stop shooting me. Haha. Get wrecked. Oh god. His hurts way more than mine. Oh, move. Haha, dodged it. Okay, alright, that's it. Come on. I can do it. I think I might be able to get him. No. No. Oh god, no. So close.
You lose.
Yes, I do. Let's give it one more shot. We can do this. Attempting to, like, replicate my DBZ victory. My DBX2 victory. Let's go. Oh no, he's not having it. Get out of the way. Here you go. That was a weird angle. Alright, bring it. Get wrecked, son. Get wrecked. Oh god, I got him. Get away from it. Get away from it. I can do that too. Oh, we traded. Okay, alright, that's it. No, get away from it. Oh, I tried to move. What you gonna do then? Come on now, I got you this time. Buddy. He's done.
KO. You win.
Damn right I do. I'm gonna claim my little 3. That was on easy, by the way. That's on easy. That's how hard it is to beat a Super Saiyan God with Zamasu in Shadow Fight Stick War. So, it's definitely a little trickier. But I like both games a lot. I think there's a lot to be said for Xenoverse and that whole kind of genre. The way that they were able to capture Dragon Ball Z style fighting in 3 dimensions is great. If you're just looking for something on your phone, I don't think it gets any better than this. This game is probably the best one of all of them, as far as DBZ stick fighters. This is Shadow Fight Stick War. My name is Gummy Worm Jim. See you next time.